we're making easy sugar cookies. The key word is easy. Easy enough that you don't have to buy them from the refrigerator section. I'm gonna get my dry ingredients mixed together first. That's just a little bit of flour, baking soda, and baking powder. And then just the standard procedure, start by creaming together your butter and sugar, add in your egg and vanilla, you know the drill. Don't rush the creaming process. This to me is the most important process when it comes to making cookies. It just makes the texture so perfect on the inside. And the way to get this fluffiness is to A, spend time on it, and B, make sure that your butter is room temperature. You want it really soft to start. Now I add in my egg. Oh, she didn't, but I did. Our wet ingredients are thoroughly combined, and you want to do all your heavy mixing before you add in the dry. That way your cookies aren't tough. Now I'm just going to gradually add in the dry. All right, I'm just going to bring the rest together with my hands. The dough is done. Told you it was easy. Now I'm just going to scoop it out into ball shapes. What I'm going to do for half of these is I'm going to take the balls and kind of dip them into some sanding sugar just so they have those kind of like crystally bits on the top. So now these just bake at 375 degrees for about 7-8 minutes. Look at these perfect little sugar cookies. I love the crystallized sugar and I love the crackly tops. That's what happens when you use the ice cream scoop. Fluffy, they're just toasted around the edges, so you're gonna get sort of that like crispy cookie if you like that, and the chewy all together at once. Just like that. That is what I'm talking about. One step from raw in the middle. This is a great recipe. So trust me, if you're looking for the perfect sugar cookie recipe for holiday baking or just every day, this is the one. Cool. Great.